of Agile Analysis Certification. In the previous videos, we have talked about strategy horizon and initiative horizon. In this video, I will talk about delivery horizon, where the actual implementation happens, where most of the business analyst works. And that's also one reason why you will get maximum number of questions from delivery horizon in your examination. So let's get started. Let's look at our overall agenda. So in our previous videos, we have already talked about strategy horizon and initiative horizon. Today, we will talk about what goes in delivery horizon, scope of analysis, the time frame. And as I mentioned previously as well, the agile principles associated with each of these horizons, I will cover it in a separate video. Before moving on, let's look at our original case study as well. So we have looked into Google as a company which has certain goals and objectives, and those are analyzed and discussed at strategy horizon. Then we looked at the various solution components or features. For example, Gmail Maps Translator, these are discussed and analyzed at initiative horizon. And now comes the delivery horizon that takes care of the actual implementation. And when we talk about the actual implementation, it's the team that comprises of the business analyst, the tester, the developer, and the other SMEs if they are needed at the time of implementation. If you are a business analyst or a business analysis practitioner at delivery horizon, then you need to create user stories along with the product owner. You need to analyze and provide enough details to the implementation team so that they can carry on their journey of development. Now, this development could be developing a software product or a physical product. Now, I often use both the terms business analyst and business analysis practitioner because the IIBA use business analysis practitioner as a term. So in your examination, all the questions or most of the questions you will see that the term business analysis practitioner is being used. It's also a responsibility of a business analyst along with the product owner to prioritize and sequence these user stories. Of course, IIBA does not differentiate between product owner and business analyst specifically, but it is important to understand that prioritization and sequencing both are important, because you can have 5 priority items, but which one to pick first will be decided based on the sequence. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are top priority items. It's also important at this level in terms of scope of analysis to create enough stories or enough in the backlog for future development. So in case of emergency leaves or absence, maybe business analyst or product owner, the team is able to move forward. The business analyst at this level should also try to see dependencies of stories and sequencing. So if 1 is dependent on 2 and 2 is dependent on 3, that sequencing need to be also discussed within the team and with product owner and other stakeholder. At this level, it is also important to give continuous feedback at a higher level, so which is initiative level. The usual time frame that is recommended by IABA is less than 1 month. So if you are working in Scrum, usually that's a duration of a sprint. This is in short what an initiative horizon is being described by IABA. I hope you understood the concept. And as soon as you understood, let me ask a few questions. Question 1. Felicia does analysis at the implementation level to produce a working software. At which horizon Felicia is likely to be fitting in? Strategy horizon, initiative horizon, delivery horizon, or planning horizon? The correct answer is delivery horizon. As we discussed, the implementation happens at delivery horizon. Question 2. At delivery horizon, the business analysis practitioner tries to maximize the outcome, maximize the output, maximize the outcome and the output, maximize the outcome while minimizing the output. You can answer this question if you have seen my previous video on initiative horizon, because this goal remains the same for all the horizon. So the correct answer is maximizing the outcome while minimizing the output. The outcome is value driven, whereas the output is amount driven. What it means is it can very well possible that the team is delivering a lot of output in terms of documentation, in terms of software, in terms of the physical setup or physical product, but that is not delivering value to the end customer, and that's where these terms are being differentiated. I expect at least one question on the exact same phenomena in your examination, because when I gave the IABA certification, there are multiple questions making use of same terminology. So in summary, the initiative horizon provide input to the delivery horizon to implement certain solutions. Remember, at delivery horizon, we deal in creating product. We create software, we create physical products. The time frame is less than 1 month. It's also important as a business analyst to prioritize and sequence the backlog along with the product owner. Or it's also needed that these items need to be sequenced and prioritized at the right time, and also enough items should be available for team for future development. The idea of business analysis at this level is to maximize the outcome and minimize the output. Remember one thing, the art of not doing maximum work is what is needed at this level. In the next video, we'll talk about Agile mindset in the context of Agile Analysis Certification. I hope you are enjoying this journey, and as I said right at the beginning, that this is my attempt to impart my knowledge to all of you, as very limited knowledge is available in public domain. So please provide your feedback, comment, write me an email, tell me what you need to do in order to understand and impart this knowledge. Because remember, knowledge acquisition is the ultimate goal of a human being. Thank you very much.